all you need to know about CAT, that is Common Admission Test. Common Admission Test or CAT exam is a common aptitude test which is a gateway to 20 IIMs, that is the prestigious Indian Institute of Management, and over 1200 business schools in India. The application forms for CAT are released in August or September and the exam takes place in November. Candidates will be given the option to choose at least 4 exam centers of CAT while they fill the application form. In 2019, there were at least 156 cities where the exam was held. While registering for the exam, candidates must ensure that they choose the CAT exam centers which are relatively close to their house in order to avoid any inconvenience. Registrations close for all candidates in 4th week of September. In October, the conducting body of CAT releases an online mock test and a tutorial to help students understand exam day guidelines. The CAT examination is only conducted once in a year. It is actually conducted during a period of 21 days. You can choose the date and timing of the exam according to your comfort. The CAT 2020 exam date and the registration details are expected to be released by July last week. The CAT is conducted by IIMs under a rotation policy. It is an online test that is conducted at various centers over the country. Eligibility required for CAT is: applicants should hold a bachelor's degree and have secured a minimum of 50% of marks or equivalent CGPA. Applicants who are appearing for the final year of their bachelor's degree and the candidates who are awaiting results are also eligible to apply. The paper pattern for CAT exam has changed several times in the past, but for the last 2 years, the pattern has remained the same with respect to the total marks and number of sections. The exam has 100 questions and each question is of 3 marks, making the total 300. -1 is given for each wrong answer. The exam has 3 sections and goes on for 3 hours. The 3 sections of the exam are quantitative aptitude, verbal aptitude, and data interpretation. The CAT quantitative aptitude section is a standalone section and comprises of only numerical based questions from different math topics. A total of 34 questions are there in this section. It includes algebra, geometry, number system, and basic arithmetic. The CAT verbal and reading comprehension section is mainly focused to check the English language skills of the candidates and check how well they can interpret paragraphs and understand the core ideas. In this section, 34 questions are asked. The logical reasoning and data interpretation section tests the proficiency of the candidates to interpret data and their ability to understand logical assumptions. In the section, a total of 32 questions are included. The questions vary from inequalities to symbol operations, direction sense, etc. Candidates who decide to join a coaching institution for CAT preparation will be guided by the mentors and coaches. The coaching institute will also provide them all the CAT study material and mock test series, while guiding them through tricky topics and questions. However, they will be required to attend classes of 6 to 8 hours daily. Candidates who cannot attend daily classes should opt for self-study. Yes, CAT exam preparation is possible through self-study. In fact, there are many CAT toppers who have studied for the exam by self. One can join various Facebook or YouTube groups to prepare for the exam. One should also download various MBA preparation apps such as MBA Test Prep or MBA CAT CMAT preparation. There are a number of books available regarding cat preparation that one can study from. There are various online mock tests available provided by sites such as Time, Test Funda that can also help one practice. The official result of CAT is released in January first week. So that's it for today. If you found the video informative, do subscribe to our channel.